Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to factory reset iPhone. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. So in here, you just need to head over to your settings and then from in there, click on your general tab from in there. Now in here, scroll down to the very bottom until you can see this option for transfer or reset iPhone. Head over and click on that, and in here you can see this. So we have two options right here, which is the reset, and in here is the erase all content and settings. So since we're talking about factory reset, which is the most basic thing that you can actually use on iPhone, which means that it will remove all your content and settings. So that means that you can actually choose this erase all content and settings. Now from in there, it will open this right here. So head over and click on continue right here in order to erase all your apps and data, your Apple ID, your Find My iPhone, as well as your eSIMs. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!